Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Frigidaire Gallery, refrigerator, ice maker freezing up, fill tube and defrost. Fix 1. Defrost the assembly. You just have to turn off the ice maker using the control panel or power switch. Remove the ice storage bin. Use a hairdryer on a low heat setting to melt all the frost and ice blocks. Keep the hairdryer moving to avoid melting the plastic housing. Dry the entire compartment completely with a clean towel. Fix 2. Inspect the fill tube. Locate the water fill tube existing into the ice mold. Clear any internal ice blockage inside the tube using the warm water. Check for drips and dripping tube indicate a leaking water inlet valve. Fix 3. Check the door sill. Inspect the rubber gasket around the freezer door or ice room door. Clean any food crumbs or a sticky residue with a warm and soapy water. Replace the gasket if it tore or wrapped or letting the warm air inside. 6. Verify the temperature. Check your refrigerator digital control panel. Set the temperature between 0 degree Fahrenheit and 5 degree Fahrenheit. Avoid setting it lower over a overlay cold air. Freeze the fill tube. Fix 5. Change the filter. Locate your water filter housing, twist and remove the old filter cartridge. Insert a brand new Frigidaire filter to restore proper water pressure. Fix 6. Force and restart. Locate the small power switch or a reset button on the ice maker. You just have to turn off the unit for 15 seconds, then turn the unit back on. Press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds to initiate a harvest cycle. Thanks for watching.